Hi guys, how's it going today? I'm so sorry about all the confusion for your assignment yesterday. Again, sometimes technology works on my end, but then I post it in an assignment and it doesn't. So absolutely, definitely apologize. Hopefully you've enjoyed though the last 3 days of having technically no Avid work, but I think I have the video fixed. So what's going to happen again is, guys, you are going to watch. This is a real lecture from a real college professor. Her name is Dr. Chen, Chen, and this is a Principles of Marketing, and that's why I put it here in the title, Principles of Marketing lecture. And you are going to watch it. Now, it is an hour because remember, in college, you actually have classes that are either about 50 minutes to an hour, or you have classes that are actually up to an hour and a half. And she did lecture for an hour. So to help you guys out, what we're going to do is this is going to be broken into 2 days. You were supposed to do part of it today, which is Thursday, and then part of it Friday. So it would be your 2-day assignment. So what I'm going to ask you to do, and obviously up to you, if you have the time and the ability, you can listen to it all at once, but you do need to go ahead and listen to the lecture. You can do 30 minutes Friday and then 30 minutes sometime over the weekend. I know we try not to give you a lot of homework over the weekend. Sorry. You are going to take notes on the content. So first go around, I actually want you to take notes on what she is trying to teach you. She is talking about building a personal brand. And I really think that this is important information for you as high school students, because you can, even though she's talking to college students, you can relate it to high school. So you need to build a personal brand for yourself. So when it is your senior year, which I know some of you are seniors, but your senior year and you're applying to colleges, how do you make yourself marketable to colleges so they do want to go ahead and accept you? That's what this is about. Now, her idea, though, is these are college students she's talking to, and how do they create their personal brand while they're college students? So when they graduate, a company wants to hire them. So, guys, this is actually great information you can use now as a high school student, and you're even going to be able to apply to when you are a college student. So I want you to write down the content, what she's teaching you about personal brand. But since this is a real live college class, this is an online lecture, I want you to write 3 to 5 observations about the professor, about the class, about the structure, meaning how she runs it, what she does. Now, we'll tell you there are going to be some pauses in the video because she is actually also typing in the chat. You cannot see the chat in the video. So when you see or you hear a lot of clicking, that's actually what you're hearing in the video. And then also, again, if you hear pauses, it's because she's reading or she's asking students to type responses in there. There will even be a small part of the video where she pauses for a while, and then what happens is she asks students to do something and she's giving them time to do it. All right, so you're gonna watch this. Now, guys, when I click on this, you're going to notice it may either the video will pop up or it may ask you to download the video, but you should be able to do this. You do not have to make a Microsoft account. I switched all that. I did it in a different format. So you should be able to just click on it, but it may ask you to download it. So be ready for that. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Before you stop listening, please also remember, please check your grades. I've been meeting with Avid students here in person. I'm going to be reaching out to some of you to meet with me after school on Google Meets so we can talk about your grades. We can talk about your attendance. We can talk about what's going on, because you are still avid students, even though I don't see you and you don't report to me every day. You should be organized. You should be taking notes. You should be using the focus note process. You should be using a planner. You should be coming up with a study and time schedule. These are all things, especially my avid veterans, these are things you know that you should be doing. And just because I don't see you every day, I can't remind you about it the way I do in person, but these are things you know you should be doing. So step up and do that. All right. Take care, guys. Let me know if you need anything.